everyone, welcome to the weekly video log from the 24th to the 27th of November. This week was truly special as our children continued their learning journey while also enjoying the remaining field trips, presenting the last class-wise assembly and celebrating the spirit of the UAE National Day. Let's hear from our pre-KG B students who have had a fun-filled week of learning. They learned about the final season winter and enjoyed its special features.
We learn about winter season. Winter is very cold, so we wear jackets, gloves, earmuffs, and drink hot chocolate.
This week we learned the sound ba, ba peony, ba balloon. This week we extend APP pattern. In literacy, we learned a new story, Pip the Cat, Snow Days.
Our little pre-KG stars truly shined, doing a wonderful job sharing their ideas. We now have our confident KG1C learners as they share their learning from the week. They were introduced to rhyming words and enjoyed discovering how words that sound alike create fun patterns in language.
In UOW, we did mark making about a fun day at the park. We drew and shared what we saw and enjoyed at the park. In numeracy, we write numbers from 1 to 20. We practice sequencing and finding the numbers that come before and after. In phonics, we learned rhyming words that sound the same, and we did fun activities to find rhyming words like cat, mat, rat, and fat.
Fantastic work, KG1C. Your confidence and clear expression were a joy to watch. Now let's hear from our bright KG2E learners as they share their learning from the week. They were introduced to the concept of day and night and explored how the Earth's movement creates these changes.
This week, we learn about how day and night happen when the Earth turns, making one side bright and the other side dark. We also spoke about different activities we do during the day.
This week, we learned how to do skip counting by twos. We enjoyed skipping two numbers and we able to write them. We also wrote the topics of number bonds and ascending and descending order.
In phonics, we learned E digraphed. We were able to read and write words such as tea, seal, meal. We also wrote simple sentences using E words.
That was excellent, KG2E. You shared your ideas beautifully and with great confidence. Our KG1 and KG2 students enjoyed their much-awaited field trips to Mushraf Park. They took part in fun outdoor games, observed the greenery around them, and spent quality time with their classmates and teachers. The trip not only brought joy and excitement, but also helped them build social skills, teamwork, and curiosity about the natural world. The KG1B students presented a delightful assembly titled One World, Many Celebrations. The children spoke confidently about different festivals celebrated around the world and highlighted the special elements that make each one unique. Their wonderful presentation ended with a vibrant song and dance performance. This week, our KG students joined the whole school assembly to celebrate Eid al-Ittihad Day. The KG2 choir mesmerized everyone with a beautiful Arabic song, while our KG1 and pre-KG students took part in an energetic Arabic dance performance. Later, the children enjoyed a colorful parade, waving their flags with pride. As we wrap up this week's log, we celebrate our beloved UAE, its heritage, achievements, and the values that bring us together as one nation. Tune in next week for more exciting updates from us. Until then, stay safe and please take care. Bye-bye.